The DPL extension identifies a BS.Player playlist file containing media playback sequences for the BS.Player media player application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, edit, or troubleshoot these media playlist files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering DPL files with corrupted internal metadata. DPL files are playlist files. For BS.Player, a Windows media player application. They contain ordered lists of media file references with playback parameters defining the sequence of audio and video files for continuous playback sessions within BS.Player. BS.Player DPL files store media file paths with optional metadata, including track titles, durations, and playback parameters. They support local file references and network stream URLs for creating mixed media playlists combining local and online content. The most widely recognized opener for DPL is unequivocally BS.Player from Webteh, d.o.o. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows includes tools to manage shortcuts, but their usefulness relies on intact destinations. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your DPL file, then click Open With. Test BS.Player if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If the DPL file won't budge, stay calm. The stubbornness of this DPL file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, opening the playlist. Open BS.Player and drag the DPL file onto the player window, or use File then. Open Playlist to load the media sequence. BS.Player populates the playlist panel with all reference media entries, ready for sequential playback. Next, editing playlists. Open the DPL file in a text editor to manually add, remove, or reorder media file paths. Update file references if media has been moved. Save changes and reload in BS.Player to apply modifications to the playback sequence. Finally, converting to M3U. Create an equivalent M3U playlist by extracting file paths from the DPL file and saving in standard M3U format. M3U playlists are universally supported by VLC Windows Media Player and virtually all media player applications for broader compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.